Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Taurus. Today's daily energy is going to be as usual, guys. We'll be picking cards from the tarot deck. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. So I have picked cards from two piles. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can watch that reading, guys. So I will be giving the timestamp in the description, guys. Sorry guys, last time I was very busy. I missed giving the timestamp. So today I will be giving the timestamp, guys. You can skip to the timestamp and watch that video. So for your daily energies, Taurus, it's the Hangman, the Tower, and the World in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you may be seeing sudden changes, guys. Something coming to an end abruptly. What you were maybe for some of you it may be something you were expecting, or sudden changes. Maybe some you may be in some kind of a stressful situation maybe, and some of you may have an emotional day today, guys. That may also be the energy here. You are breaking away from some patterns, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may want to break away from your responsibilities or patterns, whatever you have in life, and you just want to change everything, how things are going. Maybe some situations you may feel that things are not going according to your expectation and you are not happy for it. So you just want to take a break, move away from the situation, guys. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you are just tired of putting in efforts and expecting things to happen in particular way. So you are just giving up that hope and faith and just waiting for and accepting whatever is coming your way. And you see your situation from a different perspective today, guys. So a subtle change in the way you see your situation, that is also what I see here, Taurus. And maybe for some of you in your situation, guys, this may relate to your career situation or personal life. You are working towards, you are stabilizing your life, working towards some kind of what to say, security and stability in your personal life or in your work situation. Maybe you are finding, you are creating ways to have that secure job, a stable income, something. And maybe for some of you, you are just tired, you just want to take rest. That is also the energy here, guys, Taurus. And that is the reading, guys. So for your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card, just like I said. So that is coming up right now, guys. You can skip to the timestamp, choose the pile and watch that video, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. I'll be picking one card each, guys. So whichever deck you want to watch, you can watch that card. So we will start with this deck first. I'll keep this card aside. I'll be picking one card, guys, for your love reading. So this card will give us the guidance in your situation, what your person thinks of you or what you think of your person, and what is the energy with your connection, guys. So this is the card here, come to the edge. So with this card, in your situation, guys. uh, this denotes having that courage, having that faith to take that step forward in your relationship or this connection. It means overcoming fear and accepting risk. So we are faced with some situation, sorry guys, some situation where we do not know what will the situation turn out to be, what is the outcome. So we are afraid to take that risk sometimes, and uh, at this time right now, all you need to have is that courage in your heart, have that faith in yourself, listen to your heart, whatever your heart is guiding you today. So you may have some intuition or some gut feeling about what choice you need to make today. So when you have that gut feeling, you have to go for it. That is what this card is about, guys. So in our relationship, sometimes we are just scared to reveal ourselves, our truth, what we are, what our characters we have, what are our likes, what are our dislikes. So when we let ourselves to be truly seen, uh, only then that person will be able to see our true self and be able to build this connection on that truth. So if you want this relationship, if you want a deep meaningful connection with that person, you have to go for this that true bond based on truth, whatever is there in you. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it is time for you to have that courage, have that faith in yourself, and go forward in your life today. Have that confidence. And that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading with this card. Let us see what is the other card. So I'll be picking one card from the other deck, guys. So this is the card, Divine Discontent. With this card, guys, the energy in your situation. So you may have all the things you need in this relationship. Attraction is there, intimacy is there with this person, and you may have love for each other, but some part of you is just feeling sad. You feel something is missing in your life in this connection. You are feeling sad about something and you cannot describe it or point it to something in this connection, guys. It may be you may feel that it may be some fault of that person, maybe, but you are not sure, or it may be your fault in something, maybe, but you are not sure. You are not able to point it out what it is, but still you feel that energy that something is missing in this connection. Maybe because you feel that way because in this connection you don't have that total satisfaction in this connection, guys. That may be the reason that deep down in your heart of hearts, something greater, something better may be coming towards you. So that is the reason you feel that lack of fulfillment or contentment, even when you have that lovable, attractive person right in front of you. So that sense of incompleteness is there. Maybe for some of you, this may be a time for you. You may be focusing on your spiritual aspects, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may be working towards moving towards that spiritual awakening. Maybe this mundane love or this love on the physical plane, it may not interest you for few of you. Or if it is in this relationship, it may be something You are longing to have that deep connection with this person, that deep bond based on truth. That may be the reason for you to feel that lack of fulfillment or satisfaction in this connection, guys. So that is the reason you will be pushing yourself, working towards that deep meaningful connection today, guys. That is what this card is about. So that lack of satisfaction, that sense of missing or anxiety in your situation, yearning for something or longing for something, that may be the first step that is going to help you to make this connection more deeper, and that is going to help you to further this connection, deepen this connection, and go for that deep meaningful commitment in this relationship, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. Let us conclude this reading with a beautiful poetry from Rumi, guys. Winter falls upon us, so spring can bring new growth. Cry the tears, allow the longing. Sadness brings surrender and a deep desire to be free. Rumi. So this card is based on this poem, guys. So that is the reading for today, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.